everyone, it's your friend Mackenzie, and today we are doing recipes from Pinterest with my mom. Make sure nothing catches on fire. Thank you, Mommy. Today we are doing a cookie dough cup. Basically, it's gonna be like a bunch of cookie dough in here, and you can like spoon eat it. Anyway, let's get right into this. I don't know if it's gonna taste good or not. Hi, Mom. Step 1, take 1 tablespoon of butter and put it into your cup. Then melt it for 20-second bursts until it's fully melted into a juice. Perfect. Now I want to take 1 tablespoon of light brown sugar and put it into your cup, like so. Now you want to take 1 tablespoon of sugar and put it into your cup or bowl. Stir until it's well mixed. Now here is the hard part. I suggest you get an adult for this. So I'm going to explain this to the best of my knowledge. First, you need to crack the egg, and then you want to slosh it around just to get the yolk and all the other gunk goes out of the egg. Then you take half a teaspoon of vanilla. Of course, first you gotta shake it up. And now you want to stir until it's well mixed. And now you want to take 2, I'm pretty sure tablespoons of flour and put it into your mix. Stir until well mixed. Then you want to add a couple chocolate chips. And then stir until it's well mixed in. Add a couple more chocolate chips on the top. Then put it in the microwave for about, let's say like a minute to a minute 20 seconds. Here we go. Oh, it's hot. Wait a minute, it's hot.
Don't burn your mouth.
I won't. Bonus! Time for the ice cream. Oh my, it's melting.
Oh, duh.
That's good. Highly suggested with ice cream.